everyone, coming back to the English conversation and English speaking course, or sorry to say English speaking communication channel. And from past of the videos I will not upload the videos because of something personal issue that I was lots of busy in my personal term. Sorry to say, I have to increase the video. Now coming to the point that the challenge level. What about the challenge level? Regularly I will say that I will mention the challenge and record the videos. Today's goal was to I have to upload the 15 pictures of two pages in Facebook. So I upload it. I will not upload it, but I will generate it from AI in the late night, so that it will helping people to generate it, and from tomorrow it will be uploaded. And another thing is that so much important, by reading book at the late night, not to the late night but after sleeping. Before sleeping I need to do study my books, and coming to the in the morning habit, I will do my exercises regularly. And after performing the exercises, so you have to the result, the fitness level was also to be so much grateful about myself. And uh, I'm sorry to say, I'm apologized about my uh, conversation, because from past of the days I was not uploading, because I will say that I was so much busy in my own way, and I was something to be depressed in myself, because something that could be happened with myself, that I missed my tuition, because one tuition classes, because of the student who was not able to learn the classes, so that I will leave it. And her parents was not allowed him to teach with myself and me, so that this was something depressing moment, because I will show that I need a laptop for purchasing, for the video editing career and for many more things, so that I wanted to earn money, and to grab the money, so that I will pay patiently waiting for the time, so that I will get it, and after the time I will grow something at this place, at this point, so that consistently I will handle myself or believe myself that I will definitely do something more creative and more organizative, so that I will whenever the tuition of I think that the tuition of some into the coming to the session of the May, in this time tuition was to be leaved from myself, and after the time another tuition was leave, because so that I was not having so much lots of problem regarding this topic, so that I will handle it very much purely, so that don't worry about it. And the another tuition was to be coming into the line, because another person who wanted to teach their kids, so that I was eligible. And hopefully the video was consistently uploaded regularly from my side, because something that has a problem with myself, I was get so much depressing for myself. So that whenever you a person are into the depression, so that how he can speak into the conversation and how he can express their thoughts, so that I was blocked in my mind and I will not expressing my thoughts. And from tomorrow I will discussing the atomic habit book for the consistency level. And also I will know that by doing regular activity in the conversation, a day was coming for myself, that I will change my conversation, not to say conversation, but something has to be changed, and the politeness will be coming toward my communication, that helping people to understand the topic that I will discuss. Whenever I will coming to the in front of the camera, I will not think that I have to script. I will not script anything about myself or about anything the topic that I wanted to discuss. I will just come in front of the camera and just started to talk with yourself. And I face myself that there was having a people who in front of me who can watch myself, so that they can know me that a person was eligible or not eligible, but they are trying toward yourself, that they cannot ignore by self, that by English conversation. This was very much important for the peoples, And coming to the my point, I was also to be so much confident toward myself and something to be grabbing by myself. So coming to the English conversation, also something to be study from myself, that I am studying continuously as a my diploma sessions, because I was not going to the college, but at the same time I have the lots of time with myself, so that I will study the same thing with myself into the home, because study, because if I will make it as a continuity for a 3 years, so that I will this will definitely helping myself that to grow it from the future generation, because whenever I try it, so that I will get it, and it makes me easier at the last point or last peak, because how it could be so much important, and the exam was not to be so much important in your life, and so that I was not believing that exam was all the thing, exam was all the thing from myself. So my dream that I wanted to achieve, so that I will do something more extracurriculum activity, so don't worry about it. And another topic was that what about a challenge video. The challenge video was to be recorded from the tomorrow, and I will definitely show you, because in today's time I will make the 30 AI images. That was my primary goal, and the second was to record the YouTube video for the conversation. Third was to upload the pictures in third was to read a book in the night, because many people has to read sleep in the night with the scrolling the phone, so that I will avoid the bad habits, so that I wanted to do the things. And fourth thing is so much important toward my life, that become a patient and not to be get depression toward myself, because lots of time I will get depressed with myself, that I was not to be so attractive, so much cool. But don't worry about it, this was our life, and our problem was not to be so much bigger. But something in time my mind always say that whenever I was not supposed to be so much growth myself, and I will not growing toward myself, so that this was something to be depressing with myself. But don't worry about it, I was not alone among these people. I was also to be the type of people, when let's suppose that when I was at this place, most of people was also at there in this place, having no doubt that they also not doing or not achieving the same goals. But I have also take the challenge. After the conversation I will definitely sure about that something that has to be creative in myself, and that has to be creative. And coming to the conversation, I have to be improve the voice accordingly toward myself, because whenever the voice recording was so much fluent, so that coming to the YouTube platform, I definitely know that YouTube I will not grow in YouTube platform regularly or consistently without any investment. But I am definitely knowing about myself, that I have something patient about myself, that I can create something, I can do something, that I has to be in my brain. So that don't worry about it, the time has to be taken, but the information that has to be shared was so much important, because this need scripting, this need fully research, because the public doesn't wanted to view the people's attention, grab their attention without for any of the waste of the thing. They only wanted the attention because of the thing that has to be so much important in their life, and that has to be trending news. So that the coming to the YouTube platform, this was not to be ended into the future generation, but you have to be consistent toward it. And so that don't worry about it, and consistently I was recording the videos. And this is for today's video. The energy level something has to be down, so that don't worry about it. And the conversation was to be begin from the tomorrow, don't worry about it. And the long conversation was also coming to be into the Sunday. This was my promise, that I will definitely record it, because whenever I will get time or not get, but I will definitely this is for today's video.